How to print from Canva on laptop. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, just open any browser and open your Canva website. Alright, now after that, just go on the right side, just go on the left side, click on this plus icon and here click on upload. Now click on upload files and upload your desired image from your file manager. Okay, now after that, you will see this interface. I'm going to use this as an example for showing you. Now, go on top right corner, click on share and here click on download. Okay, now click on this drop down arrow and select PDF. Now click on download. Wait for a few seconds. Click on this PDF file. Now click on this print icon on top right. Select your printer from over here. And after that, just click on print and you're good to go. Now, one thing you can also do, just go on share, click on see all, scroll down to the bottom, click on use my printer. Now, it will automatically detect your printer, but if it doesn't work, just follow the first method. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.